Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a WIX footer smaller. So let's go to the WIX website first. You have to you have to go to the edit website or edit site. Then you'll find here this WIX website. Now you have to go to the bottom to find footer. This one is footer. You can see here. Now if you want to small the footer, you have your cursor should be like on the line. Then you'll find this type of interface, this arrow. Okay, all you have to just drag to this like this. I'm showing you again, drag like this, or if you want to make it bigger, you have to drag like this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.